Welcome to my study room. Today I will discuss about personal hygiene. It is a most important topic of our daily life, so stay with me and know details about this. First of all, we know about personal hygiene. What is personal hygiene? Personal hygiene refers to the practices we follow to keep our bodies clean, promote health, and maintain a positive appearance. Then, importance of personal hygiene: prevents infections and illnesses, enhances self-confidence and social acceptance, promotes overall physical and mental well-being. Then, key areas of personal hygiene: hand hygiene, washing hands regularly with soap and water, especially before eating or after using the restroom. Use hand sanitizers when soap and water aren't available. Then, oral hygiene, brushing teeth at least twice a day, flossing and using mouthwash to maintain oral health. Then, body hygiene, regular bathing or showering to remove sweat, dirt, and dead skin cells, proper care of skin and hair, nail care, trimming nails regularly and cleaning under them to prevent infection. Foot hygiene, cleaning and drying feet properly, especially between toes, to prevent fungal infections like athlete's foot. Then, hand washing techniques: when to wash hands, before eating or handling food, after using the bathroom, after coughing, sneezing, or touching animals, how to wash hands correctly: wet hands with water and apply soap, scrub all surfaces, including backs of hands, between fingers, and under nails, for at least 20 seconds, rinse thoroughly and dry with a clean towel or air dry. Then, oral hygiene practices, key recommendations: use fluoride toothpaste to strengthen teeth and prevent cavities, change your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months, visit a dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Common oral health issues: bad breath, halitosis, tooth decay, gum disease. Then, bathing and body care. Regular bathing helps remove bacteria, sweat, and dead skin cells, reduces body odor. Skin care, moisturizing after bathing to keep skin hydrated, sun protection by using sunscreen. Hair care, regular washing to maintain cleanliness and prevent dandruff. Then, personal hygiene and health benefits: prevents the spread of infections and illnesses, promotes good mental health by boosting self-esteem. Common health risks from poor hygiene: skin infections, gastrointestinal infections, respiratory infections. Then, personal hygiene and social interactions, impact on social life. Good hygiene creates a positive impression in social and professional settings. Poor hygiene can lead to isolation and social stigma. Cultural differences: hygiene standards may vary across cultures, but cleanliness is universally valued. Then, personal hygiene and social interactions, importance of hygiene during the pandemic, increased focus on hand washing and sanitization, wearing masks and maintaining respiratory hygiene, cleaning and disinfecting frequently touched surfaces. Social responsibility, practicing good hygiene to protect yourself and others from contagious diseases. Then, conclusion and takeaways, key points to remember: personal hygiene is essential for maintaining good health and well-being. Simple daily routines like washing hands, brushing teeth, and bathing have long-term benefits. Good hygiene helps in disease prevention, enhances self-confidence, and positively affects social interactions. Last of all, call to action: make personal hygiene a priority for a healthier and happier life. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and stay with me. If you want to know about any topic, please comment me.